There are several reasons why cars are not completely made with all the gadgets and accessories. Number 1. Cost. Adding all the gadgets and accessories to the car will significantly increase the cost of the vehicle, making it less accessible to many customers. Number 2. Choice. Many customers prefer to customize their car with specific gadgets and accessories of their choice, rather than having all the accessories pre-installed. Number 3. Safety. Adding too many gadgets and accessories can create issues with vehicle safety, as some of these items may interfere with the vehicle performance and operations.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jonah, and in today's video we'll be discussing 10 car gadgets and accessories every car owner should purchase to enhance your driving experience. Big shout out to my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you all for keeping it locked down with me. Without further ado, let's head straight to the video.
Dash cameras. Dash cameras are becoming increasingly popular among drivers, and for good reason. These small devices can be mounted on your dashboard or windshield and can capture video footage of your drive. They can be incredibly useful in the event of an accident, as they provide valuable evidence to the insurance companies and law enforcement. Tire pressure monitors. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for safe and efficient driving. However, it's pretty much difficult to tell when your tires are underinflated or overinflated just by looking at them. That's where tire pressure monitors comes in. These devices can be easily installed on your tires and will alert you when your tire pressure is too low or too high. Honestly, this device is very important because driving under inflated tires can cause poor fuel economy, handling problems, and even a blowout. So having a tire pressure monitoring system can help you avoid these issues and keep you safe. Wireless chargers. If you're constantly on a go or just about your day-to-day itineraries, keeping your phone charged can be a challenge. Wireless chargers are a great solution to this problem. They can be easily installed in your car and will keep your phone charged without the hassle of cord and cables. Bluetooth adapters. Many newer vehicles come equipped with Bluetooth technology, but if you have an older car, you may not be so lucky. Bluetooth adapters can be easily installed in your car and will allow you to connect your phone to your car's audio system, making it easy to listen to your favorite tunes or take hands-free phone calls. Car vacuums. Keeping your car clean can be a challenge, especially if you have kids or pets. Big wahala. A car vacuum is the must-have accessory for any car owner. These small handheld devices can be used to quickly clean up any messes in your car, keeping it looking and smelling fresh. Seat cushions. Long drives can be uncomfortable, especially if your car seats are less than comfortable. A seat cushion can make all the difference in the world. There are many types of seat cushions available today, from memory foam to gel-filled cushions. Portable jump starter. Next on our list is a portable jump starter. This gadget can be a lifesaver. If your car battery dies in the middle of nowhere, it can jump start your car without needing another vehicle. The portable jump starter is also compact and easy to store in your car's trunk, so you can always have it handy in case of an emergency. Bluetooth frequency modulation transmitter. If your car doesn't have a Bluetooth connectivity, don't worry. You can still enjoy hands-free calling and streaming music with a Bluetooth FM transmitter. It connects your phone via Bluetooth and transmit the audio to your car's FM radio. It is a simple and affordable way to upgrade your car's entertainment system. Cell phone signal booster. This model from WeBoost works with Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and all other wireless carriers. and it's 5G ready, so it is ready to go as soon as you are. Plus, it's great when you're not stranded too. It will help your phone drop fewer calls, activate better hotspot even in faraway locations, and provide a faster internet connection. Electric blanket. If you live in a cold climate, you should have an electric blanket in your car for emergency situations. This super soft 12-volt electric blanket is easily plugged into any car, truck, or SUV cigarette lighter. Heat up fast and will keep you warm until help arrives. It also comes with a 96-inch cord, so your passengers can stay toasty on a regular road trip too. Portable EV car charger. Any electric car owner knows how terrifying range anxiety can be. Instead of worrying if the battery is strong enough to get you to your destination or if there's a charging station along the way, keep this monster portable EV charger in your trunk. That way you will always have an extra charger to get you there or to get you home safely. Thinking of going electric? These are the most fuel efficient cars on the road today, including many electric vehicles that get well over 200 miles on a single charge. And finally, every car owner must consider purchasing these. Smart car mats that can detect dirt and debris and clean themselves. Automated parking system. Solar power car window shades. Wireless phone charging ports. Smartphone control car alarm systems. Automated windshield wiper with rain sensors. Remote vehicle tracking and diagnostic systems. High-tech car cameras for 360-degree views, voice control dashboard entertainment systems, and robotic vehicle valet services. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video useful and informative. Honestly, these gadgets and accessories will keep you comfortable, safe, and entertained on the road. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video to reach more car owners out there. Drive safe and happy travels. See you in our next video. Bye for now.